Imagine you have 400 pages of notes. Your exam is tomorrow, and you have exactly 2 hours left. What if I told you there's a free AI tool made by Google that can read all 400 pages for you, answer your questions from those notes, generate a quiz, and create an audio podcast so you can revise while lying down? That tool exists. It's called NotebookLM, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it as a student, step by step. Let's go. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research and study assistant. It runs on Gemini, Google's most powerful AI model. Most AI tools answer questions from the internet. NotebookLM answers questions only from your files, your PDFs, your notes, your textbooks, your YouTube links. That means no hallucinations. Every single response is grounded in your uploaded content, and it even shows you the exact source. It supports PDFs, Google Docs, YouTube video links, websites, and plain text notes. Getting started takes literally 2 minutes. Open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Click New Notebook. Give it a name. Now, upload your sources. You can drag and drop a PDF, paste a Google Doc link, or even paste a YouTube video URL once uploaded. You'll see 3 panels: Sources on the left, Chat in the middle, and Studio on the right. We'll use all 3 today. That's it. You're set up. Told you 2 minutes. The first thing you should do after uploading any document is ask for a summary. Just type, "Summarize this document in simple points." Watch what happens. In under 30 seconds, you get a clean, structured summary of the entire document. No fluff, no unnecessary details, just the key points from your file. This alone saves you hours of reading. Now, this is where it gets powerful. You can literally have a conversation with your notes, ask things like, "What are the most important formulas in Chapter 3?" or "What topics are repeated most in this document?" And see this, on the right side of every answer, there are citations. So, you can verify it instantly. This is perfect for exam revision. Ask it to quiz you, ask it to explain a concept differently. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. This one is my personal favorite. Go to the Studio panel on the right side, click Generate Audio Overview. NotebookLM will convert your entire notebook into a 2-person conversational podcast. 2 AI hosts discuss your notes. Like a real podcast episode, you can listen to this while commuting, cooking, or even before sleeping. Passive revision without opening a single book. This feature alone is worth using NotebookLM for.
If you are like standing at a bus stop in a driving wind, you
Just ordinary algebra, like 10 liters plus 5 liters is always 50.
Here's something most students don't know you can do. You can upload multiple sources into one notebook, different chapters, different subjects, even a YouTube lecture and a PDF together. Then ask cross-source questions like, compare what the PDF says about neural networks versus what the YouTube video explained. NotebookLM pulls from all sources simultaneously and gives you one unified answer. This is incredibly powerful for research projects, assignments, and competitive exam preparation. Last one, and this is a game changer for exam prep. Ask NotebookLM, generate 10 exam-style questions from this document, or create a quiz with MCQs based on Chapter 4, or even, what questions are likely to come in an exam based on this syllabus. It generates well-framed questions directly from your content. You can use these to self-test, share with friends for group study, or build your own question bank. Before you go try this, 3 quick things to keep in mind. 1. Make sure your PDF has clear readable text. Scanned handwritten notes won't work well. 2. Don't mix too many unrelated topics in one notebook. Keep one notebook per subject or project. It keeps answers focused and accurate. 3. The audio overview is currently only in English. If your notes are in another language, the summary and Q&A still work, but the podcast feature works best with English content. That's NotebookLM, completely free and genuinely one of the most useful AI tools available for students right now. Go to notebooklm.google.com. The link is in the description. Upload your notes today and tell me in the comments which feature surprised you the most. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to PadhoByte. I make videos like this every week. Practical AI tools that actually help students like you study smarter and work faster. See you in the next one. Tech Seek host Smart Bono.